Okay, today we're going to replace the front left control arm on this Mitsubishi Outlander. Now I'm just quickly going to do a visual comparison to make sure that I got the right part here, and that checks out. So that's good. Now we can continue. All right, you need a 19 millimeter to get that nut loose. It's really a tight fit, but if you're careful and take your time, you'll be able to get at that. And then the one in the front here, there. You see that? Hang on, let me move here. There's the other one here. It'd be easier if you take the side cover off, so I'll probably do that. Alright, and so now I'm just going to go and loosen that here. Those are two 19 millimeters. Alright, so I took those clips off here, and then if I pull this back, I can now get at that bolt in the front of the control arm. So I'm going to loosen that one. Alright, if you live in a climate where cars like to rust, it's going to take a lot of persistence to get that out. But I don't know if I can show you here that there you go. So that's out now. So now gotta get the ball joint out, which is right there, the bolt that holds the ball joint in. Alright, so now I'm gonna give it a tap. I'm gonna keep turning this and then tap it on this side. By giving a little bit of a twisting motion, it helps loosen the bolt. And then it will, at one point in time, just kind of start to come out. There. And I got this one out. Okay. Okay. So I'm just gonna take the hammer. It's already coming out. Just give it a few bangs. There you go. Nice. I've got to get this bolt out here. And then the whole control arm will come out. There we go. And now. Just like that. Now we're gonna take the cap off here, off the careful to not damage the boot on the ball joint. So there's your new ball joint. So we're gonna place this back in the reverse order. Once you see that that's lining up, you can use a screwdriver to get the hole in the right spot. There. Oops. So as you see me working on my control arm, I didn't realize that the battery on my camera was about to die. So when you're doing this, couple of tips. One, leave that plastic piece that's covering the ball joint in place until you're ready to seat the ball joint into the knuckle. Next thing is line up that front of the control arm first, and then insert the knuckle, the ball joint into the knuckle. Once you've got those in, then what you can do is you can line up the rear part of the control arm. If that does not line up perfectly, use your jack to jack up on the knuckle a little bit, and that will bring it into alignment. I hope this helped you. Thanks for watching.